Are you a student?
Yes, bro. I am a student of Robindra University, uh, Department of Bangla.
So I know that this is a Friday. Sorry, this is a Saturday.
Sure. Yes.
But on this day, our one presentation is running. But why our honorable coach teacher MD Javed Iqbal is taking presentation on the off day?
That's why we have no permanent campus. That's why we have no enough classroom. Uh, for this reason, our course teacher started a presentation at off day.
Okay. So, do you think that it is a difficult problems all our it is a difficult problem of our university?
Yes, it is a difficult problem of our university. That's why our university's off day is occurring presentation. Presentation off day we have enjoys and free time, but at this moment we also join the presentation. It's a great problem for us. We have no proper classroom and enough classroom. For this reason, our course teacher take this presentation at the weekend or holiday. Uh, our when we need a permanent campus, that's why we also join presentation any often day.
Okay. Thank you, brother, for giving your good information. Okay.